Hello guys, welcome back and thank you so much for watching. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a banana hair mask for hair growth. So if you're new on this channel, my name is Yolanda and welcome, and please, if you love my content, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a video. Please, if you like my video, don't forget to click the like button and share the video with your natural sister. This is really going to help my channel a lot, and it is actually going to make YouTube algorithm push out my videos a lot. So thank you guys for watching, and let's get right to the tutorial. So first of all, we are going to look at banana for hair. So banana is best known for its potassium content. They contain vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin B. They are rich in fiber and minerals like iron and manganese and protein. So these are the benefits for using banana on your hair. Bananas add shine and gloss to the hair. They prevent and control dandruff. They enable hair growth and thickness. They improve hair texture, prevent split ends, and maintain hair elasticity. Let's look at what eggs are made of for hair. Eggs are a powerhouse of proteins, vitamins, and minerals. They are rich in vitamin B complex and biotin, which strengthens the hair roots. And these are the benefits for using eggs on your hair. Eggs help accelerate hair growth. They prevent hair loss, they tame frizz and improve hair elasticity. They reduce breakage. And also, eggs is also known for fixing damaged hair. So eggs are known for fixing damaged hair. Hair is 70% protein. The protein eggs help rebuild the damaged keratin gaps in the structure of your hair, which heals the hair. Eggs conditions and adds shine, and also it balances the sebum. So next up, we're going to look at mayonnaise and also the benefits for using mayonnaise on your hair. Mayonnaise has vinegar that helps reduce dandruff, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, and helps maintain the pH levels of the scalp. Mayonnaise is also made of egg yolk, which stimulates hair growth in humeral dermal papilla cells. And also, egg yolk is filled with proteins and fatty acids that are needed for hair growth and conditioning. Mayonnaise is also made of vegetable oils, which improve the hair health and prevent hair damage. And finally, mayonnaise is known for reducing hair lice. And finally, now we are going to look at coconut oil for hair. Coconut oil helps hair to grow longer and thicker and healthier. So now guys, I'm going to go ahead and make a hair mask. Therefore, I'm going to put all the ingredients in my blender and blend it to a smoothie. I'm using 2 bananas, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So now guys, this is what I have. My mixture is ready. It is smooth. You can see that it has tiny particles that are actually blending perfectly on my hand. You can barely see any big particles guys, like the solid particles are so tiny in such a way that you don't see most of them. So therefore that means my mask is ready to be put on my hair. So guys, in terms of application, it is always best to apply a hair mask or whatever product that you're using on your hair in small section, as natural hair like my hair is too coily, so it is beneficial for me to apply it in small sections. So therefore I'm going to apply it in small sections. I'm going to focus it on my hair all the way down to my ends, and we're going to focus it on the scalp also, so that we can actually heal the scalp. And also this is really going to help a lot in stimulating hair growth. And then now that I'm done, I'm going to put on a plastic bag and leave it on for 2 hours. And please guys, if you want to leave it on for like 30 minutes, it is okay, but it is always good for you to use a blow dryer so that you can open up your hair cuticles faster. And this is really going to enable your hair to absorb all the nutrients that are in the hair mask, because my hair is low porosity, so I really have to wait for a long time. And the other alternative, of course, is to use a dryer. So 2 hours later, I am happy. My hair is super soft, and right now it is time to detangle. So basically, when you are detangling natural hair or any other hair type, it is always best to start by detangling the ends and work your way down slowly but gently all the way down to your roots. As you can see, I'm really going to zoom in and go straight to the camera so that you can actually see what it is that I'm doing. Like you can see actually guys, like the way that I'm detangling my hair in one place. Like if you are 4C, you know, like my hair has a lot of regrowth, so most of my hair length is actually like in the midsection, so I'll be strengthening the hair that is not as long as the one that is on my ends. So this hair really tends to tangle a lot. So basically, if you see me detangling in one place, that means I'm trying to detangle the hair that is shorter than the one that I'm holding on my ends. So yeah guys, now that I'm done, I am ready to go and wash my hair. And guys, it is advisable for you to wash your hair thoroughly after using any DIY hair mask, so that you can get rid of any particles that might be left on your hair if I don't wash it all out. So these are final results guys. My hair feels great, my scalp is fresh, and also my hair is soft. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.